Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 50 Ayrshire Lane in Henrietta.
This is an amazing newer colonial with nature views. So let's take a tour.
This is open living. This newer home features an eat and cook's kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, granite countertops, and Brazilian cherry floors, leading to a formal dining room and an expansive living area with a gas fireplace. The first floor also includes a powder room and laundry.
The upstairs features 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this spacious master suite with a walk-in closet.
This traditional colonial is landscaped to perfection and features a private backyard with an expansive deck. Just steps away are the Lehigh Valley hiking trails.
Nearby this property is the charming village of Rush and Mendon Ponds Park. This is beautiful Mendon Ponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 50 Ayrshire Lane in Henrietta.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!